Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to find your Google Tag Manager ID. So first up, just go ahead and go to tagmanager.google.com, and once done, just hit on enter. And once that's done, as you can see here, you have your container ID, okay, besides the container type. And here you have the account. Each account will have its own container ID, okay? Another way to find your ID is by going to the container itself. Open it up. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right. And here you have your ID as well. Now, another option is by going back to tagmanager.google.com. And here, click on the three dots besides the account. Click on it and go ahead over to account settings. And here is your account ID. Okay, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.